Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For this subject, we are going to explain about Mnist spatial classification using class. So for the first coding, we need to import some related library such as pandas, numpy, matplot library, and also class. And then we are going to allow the code to read the data, the train data from the fashion Mnist train and declare it as X train. Meanwhile, for fashion Mnist test data are declared as X test. To produce the head of the train data, we are using this syntax of code, and it will produce the output, which is label and pixel that obtained from the train data. It is similar to X-test data. And then we are going to label the column using xtrain.drop and also xtest.drop. And then we use value counts to count the label. And then we are going to define the get image using pixels and also the color, which is using CMap gray. So after we run this, it will produce the get image from train data, and it will produce these two kind of image. And then for this code, it will print the train and also the test data. And then this code, we are going to save a copy of xtest in case for forward comparison. And next is normalization. The CNN works better and faster on 0 to 1 data than on 0 to 255. So for the first, we initialize the xtrain and also xtest data for normalization. So for the reshape, we are going to reshape the xtrain data, which produce 60,000 and 760,000, and then 784. For xtest reshape will produce 10,000 and then 784. So and then we go to one hot coding. This will encode the labels to one hot vectors. It will use only Y train test and Y train data and Y test data. And then we go to split training and validation set. First, we must set the random seed, and then we split the train and validation set for fitting. For fitting, we use X train, X val, Y train, and Y val. This is the example of CNN model. For CNN model, firstly we must set the CNN model by initialize the related model. This is the related model, and then this is the model summary of the CNN. So this is the output of the model summary. It shows that the total parameters contain 320,714. Meanwhile, for trainable parameters, only 320,714, and there is no non-trainable parameters. For this coding, it will display the CNN model, and this is the output of model CNN. Model CNN, it based on 50 epochs. And then we go to scores. The scores, we declare it as model evaluates for X test and Y test data, and then we print the test accuracy based on the score, and it will display the test accuracy only 0.9385. And then we go to visualization. For visualization, we will display the plot training validation accuracy values, and also plot training and validation loss values. So it will display in plot graph. This is the graph for training and validation accuracy, and this is the plot graph for training and validation loss. And then we go to how to get image from original test. We are going to use this syntax, and it will produce only original and correct image. Since we are using CMap gray, it will only produce in gray color. This is for confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is only to display the confusion matrix between true label and also predicted label. And then let us see how neural network is giving probabilities to every classes. So here we define probability predictions, and then we use probabilities using X-test, model predict, and also probabilities, and it will print only this output. So to display the output, we will execute this code, and it will produce this output by category. This first like t-shirt and top, for second trousers, for third one pullover, shirts, and dress. That's all. And then we use this data, the source code from Kaggle, which is we get it from this website, and we try to run using this data with data sets given. That's all from us. Thank you.